Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public resume link. This essential tool allows you to share your professional story effortlessly with potential employers and network connections. A public link provides a dynamic, always current representation of your skills and experience, far more engaging than a static document. It ensures recruiters can instantly access your qualifications, streamlining the hiring process. This method is truly the most effective and widely accepted way to present your professional self online. The most effective and widely recognized platform for creating a public resume link is LinkedIn. This professional networking site is specifically designed to showcase your career journey, skills, and accomplishments to a global audience. Unlike a static document, your LinkedIn profile can be continuously updated, ensuring your information is always current. It acts as a living, breathing resume, accessible to millions of recruiters and hiring managers actively seeking talent. To make your LinkedIn profile an effective public resume, ensure it is 100% complete. Fill out every section, from your experience and education to your skills and endorsements. Incorporate industry-specific keywords throughout your profile to improve its visibility in recruiter searches. Always include a professional headshot and a concise, impactful summary statement. Clearly articulate your achievements and responsibilities, providing specific examples where possible to truly stand out. Once your LinkedIn profile is optimized, you can easily obtain your public resume link. Simply navigate to your profile page and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. For a more professional look, customize your URL to include your name, making it clean and memorable. This unique link can then be shared widely, included on your job applications, in your email signature, and even on business cards. Anyone with this link can view your comprehensive professional profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.